Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learning AWS Devops. Today's is learn as a 3.3 is a GitLab CI and the CD's pipeline inside as a 3.3.2 is a Docker build and the push to the GitLab's containers registry. And this the pipelines is build the Docker's image and as a push it to GitLab's containers registries and then as a code is pushed to as a main branch and show the code as a variables colons inside as a image underscore name is a capital letters and colons as a registry dot gitlab dot com and slash as a your dash namespace and hyphen the your dash repo. So the your dash namespace is this space has the namespace has to write and slash after the your repositories to write a name and stage colons inside as a hyphen build and a hyphen push and so the two stages there as a first as build and second is push. Build colons inside the stage colon as build and the script colons inside as a hyphen the docker build and hyphen the t and dollar the image underscore names is a capital letters and the colon as a test and dot as to gives and only colons inside as a hyphen main and push colons inside as a stage colon the push and the script colons inside as a hyphen the echo in gives values and message as a dollars as a ci underscore registry underscore password and is a capital letters and vertical sign and dockers as a logging hyphen u and dollar the ci underscore registry underscore users is a capital letters and double hyphen the password and this as the stdin and as a dollar sign and the ci underscore registry and hyphen the docker as push as the dollar image underscore name and the colons inside as a last stage and only colons inside as a hyphen the main. Let's check all the code in the details. First is a image name as a variables colons inside the image underscore names and registry.gitlab.com slash as a yours namespace and slash as the your repositories and name and image underscore names is stores locations where your the docker's image will be stored and example as a registry.gitlab.com slash as your namespace is cs tech solution and slash as the repository's name is my days java's date app and a final image will be as registry.gitlab.com slash the cs tech solutions slash as the my days java's days app colons as a letters and second is the stages colons inside a two stage as a hyphen the build and hyphen as push so the pipeline is execute as a build and after as move the push. First, as a build the job, as a build colons inside the stage colon as build and the script colons inside hyphen the docker build and the hyphen t and dollars as image underscore names colons as letters and dot s2 compulsory to write and as a only colons inside the hyphen main and this the command as a docker's build and hyphen the t and the dollars image underscore names colons as the latest and the dot s2 gives is take the docker files from the current directories and as a create a docker's image and hyphen t is give the image its names and the text and because of as only colons inside hyphen main is built the runs only then a pipelines is triggers 4 as a main branches. Build job after as a push job as a push colons inside the stage colon as a push, and the script colons inside as a hyphen echo and the dollar ci underscore registry underscore password, and vertical sign as a dockers loggings and the hyphen u, and dollars as a ci underscore registry underscore user is the capital letters, and double hyphen the password dash as the stdin, and as a dollar sign and the ci underscore registry is a variable to catch, so the dollar sign has to use as first and after the variable's names, and hyphen the dockers as push the dollar sign and the image underscore names and the colons as the letters, and only colons inside as hyphen as main. And first as a GitLab logs into the container registry, so use as a docker logging, and GitLab is provide a predefined ci and the cds variable. First variable is dollar the ci underscore registry. This is the purpose as the GitLab's container registry address, and dollars as a ci underscore registry underscore user is a registry the username, and last is dollars as a ci underscore registry underscore password is a registry password or as a token says to, and then the docker is push, and the dollars image underscore names colons as letters is uploaded the docker's image to the GitLab's containers registry. And this example as a complete the flow as developers to move as a git push, and to move the GitLab CI and the CDs, and after as a build the job inside the docker as build, and docker image after, and the after as a push is a docker as push, and after as a GitLab's containers registry, and last is registry.gitlabs.com slash the namespace slash as the repositories colons as letters. And the important requirement, the GitLabs runners is executing this pipelines must be as able to as run the docker's command, and commands is the approach is dockers enables runners, and often as using the dockers in as a dockers colons as dend, or as another docker is capable the setup, and also of modern GitLab CI and the CDs rules, and colons is as generally as preferred over older says use as only, and the colons inside syntax, and the rules is used as a modern example, and the program to use as a rules. So the rules has to write as a rules colons inside as a hyphen the if colons, and the single quotes inside the dollar and ci underscore commit underscore branch equal, and the double quotes inside the main, and all the brackets has to close. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.